Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Renault Arkana here on a 2022 plate. Just doing a spanner reset on this. I'm going to show you how it's done exactly. It is quite a simple procedure. All you need to do is press a few buttons on the steering wheel and hold a few buttons, and that should fix your problem with the spanner light. But just remember, do get the service done when you're resetting this. So it's always advised to do that before you reset it. But I'm going to show you how it's done. Before that, I'll show you what the car looks like from the inside, not the outside. Alright, this is basically the steering wheel. That's what it looks like. So it is the new shape one, and the spanner light we're going to reset is that one right there. So that's what we're going to do. And how to do it, it is easy. So you got to press these buttons right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the top one here first, and if you look on the inside there where it says service required, you'll get information. So that's the top left hand corner, right hand. Now we got to this bit here. When you get to this bit, you press down. You can even do the tire pressure reset. You see the oil change in 10,000 miles or 11 months, but the service due is 10,000 and 0 miles. So what I'm going to do, when I get to service due, I press the OK button, hold it for about 10 seconds. Right, that's all done. I switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on, start the car up, and we'll just see the light now. Here we go. That's all out. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. It is the Renault Arkana on a 2022 plate. The spanner light reset was as simple as that. That was just a service due. Like I said, don't forget, make sure you get the oil change and get the inspection done where possible, and then top up the necessary fluids and check the necessary stuff as well. I'll have it in the description what needs doing and stuff like that, so hopefully that should help you out a little bit. Otherwise, yeah, just comment us below if there's a problem, and if there's anything else you need as well. There is a playlist for Renault, do check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.